This is how we can set the ask before calling on the iPhone. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So if you mean this feature where before someone else actually calls you, you have the ability to screen them, meaning that you give them the opportunity to introduce themselves and let you know what exactly is going on, the reason for calling, and then you get to decide if you stop or accept the call. So that's fine, but the way that it works is that you go to your settings, and as you are on the main page, you get entirely to the bottom and find apps as such and find the P for phone. So it's right there for me. Just scroll through the options as usual, and part of the screen unknown callers, we have three options. We have never, ask, reason for calling, and silence. So me personally, I keep it at silence most of the time, but the ask reason for calling is the thing that you are looking for. As you can see based on the description, it calls from unsaved numbers. So of course it doesn't apply to like your friends and family, but unknown numbers will be asked to get more information, to give you more info before you even accept the call. So that's how it kind of works. This is where you can decide it. You of course have some more features for call filtering and stuff like that, but that's how you can set that up. Let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll talk to you later.